Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. So recently I came across one problem where in streaming advanced setting, encoder does not show an option of NVENC one or HEVC. Okay, this like same problem happened with me before also. I tried everything. Even I tried searching on internet or on the YouTube, but like I didn't find any video which is telling this how to fix this. I searched everywhere, but I like find the solution by myself. So let me tell you why this problem happens and how to fix this one. Okay. So generally this happens when anyhow Streamlab detects that you are using some kind of stream services which is not compatible or which streaming services does not support encoder. And as you knew that Twitch does not support it. Okay, neither AV1 or what is that HEVC. So what happened? 90% chance. Sometimes you know that when you open it and it by default it updates Streamlabs OBS. So what it generally do, it's think that since you are using streaming, like you want to do streaming, so by default he thinks that okay, you are using Twitch for streaming. He never think that you're gonna use YouTube for stream. So what you need to do and how you have to fix this one, go to stream. Okay, so you will see that in streaming services by default it will be on Twitch. So as you're gonna click on YouTube RTMPS, and then if you go to output, you will be able to see NVIDIA NVENC AV1. So that's the solution. So since I have not done any changes here, bitrate everything is like, but yeah, if you have higher end PC, let me tell you okay, what is AV1. If you have higher end GPU, like more than 5,000 or 4,000 series, so you can use AV1. It's like better. But if you have mid-range PC or maybe 3000 series, you will able to see HEVC. But if you have a lower end PC, then you will not be able to see these options. Okay, so this is the solution. I hope this will fix your problem. And one more thing, if this helped you, so just write in the comment section so that other people know that this problem is like is fixed or it helped you. Okay guys, thank you so much and have a great day. Good luck.